In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a trial in Stripe. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Product Catalog. This is where Stripe stores the products and pricing options connected to your account. Next, select the subscription product that you want to offer with a free trial. Open that product and confirm that it already has a recurring price attached to it. This is important because trials are used with subscription billing, so the product needs to be set up with recurring pricing before you create the payment link. In the Payment Links section, click Create Payment Link to start building a new checkout link for your subscription. Once the product and price are selected, look for the Advanced Options or the Subscription Settings area within the Payment Link setup. Stripe may label this section slightly differently depending on your account view, but this is where the trial settings are usually found. In that section, find the free trial option and turn it on. Then enter the number of days you want the trial to last. Make sure the length of the trial matches the offer you want to give your customers. If Stripe shows additional settings for what happens when the trial ends, review those carefully. You may be able to control how the subscription continues after the free period is over. Set those options according to your business needs. Once the trial settings are in place, review everything on the payment link. Check the product name, confirm the recurring price, and make sure the trial period is correct. This helps prevent mistakes before the link goes live. When everything looks right, click Create Link. Stripe will then generate your subscription payment link with the trial included. As a final check, open the payment link yourself and go through the checkout page. Confirm that the free trial details appear clearly and correctly for the customer. This is a simple but important step because it lets you verify that the offer is displayed the way you expect. After that, your Stripe payment link with a free trial is ready to share. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.